Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a waterfall page of the 6x6 mini album that I'm creating for the December Daily 2022. Obviously, this album can be used for any theme, but I'm creating a Christmas album, and so it has the color red. I've already put together the base pages of this album, so there's videos for that, and you can check them out on this channel. This album is based on cut files that I made in the Silhouette Studio, and almost all files that I'm using for this album are freebies that you can collect in a series of parts on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. So today we're gonna do the waterfall flap page, and I'm not actually going to glue it down yet in my mini album because I still haven't added any papers. I'm not planning to add the papers quite yet. So for that to happen, I would prefer to have the papers while I put this down as well. So the cut file, if you go to my blog and download this file, it comes with basically with 3 parts, and these are sized to fit into my into this mini album, 6x6 mini album. So it comes with this longer piece, then it comes with 4 cards. It's made for 4 flaps, okay? And so these flaps are exactly the size, the width that this this piece has. And then it comes with 1 piece that is called a stabilizer that will go across this this piece at the very end, and this is why I'm not putting it down on the page yet, because I want some pattern paper to go underneath. So you can put pattern papers all over these parts, and obviously you would be decorating these pages or these flaps there. So I'm going to show you what you can do with this waterfall page. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 score lines, because we have 4 of these flaps. And so what you will do is you can turn them around, and the fold lines make the folding really easy. I'm just burnishing it here, and then you do the same, you go the same direction with all of them. So the next one, it's very basic, very simple, and then I go with the next one, and then that should leave me with 1 more fold that I need to do, and that's that. And then I can start gluing down the flaps, and I start with this first. So this is the glue strip where the glue goes, and so I'm putting the glue down on this strip here, and this will be handled quite a bit because it's a waterfall, so it's a moving part, and so you want to apply glue well, and then you just line up the edges, this edge with this edge, okay? So you line up this edge and make sure that it is flush with both sides of this. Then you take the next, so you see here is the first, that was the first, then you take the next one, you apply glue to this part here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, I hope you can. So this is an actual album that I'll plan on using, so I'm not making a demonstration piece here. Again, you line it up flush with the edge to edge, so you can already see here a step or a waterfall is forming. And again, you make sure it lines up on these 2 sides. Then you do the same thing again with the next piece here. Because these are silhouette files, not cut by hand, they should perfectly align with each other. So this makes the waterfall, okay? And you can go this way, right? Now, this is where I will end, and I will explain how you can finish the last bit, but I won't glue it down yet because, as I explained, I have not yet added any pattern papers. So you take this stabilizer piece, and basically it needs to go behind that bottom flap, the one that we actually glued down first, okay? It needs to go be glued to that. So when it needs to go behind there, let's see. And if it's glued down here, so then I would apply glue only where it will actually touch the card, so it doesn't go across. You can put a brad or something pretty here. Just maybe glue it or run it through a sewing machine. You have different options there. And then basically, once this is fixed, then you can see how it just pulls out and how it pulls in, right? And so this piece will keep your waterfall in place. Do not put any glue here because this needs to move. So the only place where you actually put glue is behind, well, on this part of the stabilizer that will actually be the width of this. So do not put any glue on the back, okay? Very important, because you need to be moving it. And again, I can show you, so this one will be fixed here, and then you will be able to pull the waterfall open. Let's see how this goes, right? So I will show you a finished one that is in my autumn album. So if you look here is this waterfall, and here's the stabilizer. I just used 2 brads, and then it's easy to pull out. And you see here, this piece is glued to the back, to this stabilizer piece. This piece is not glued anywhere, okay? But it's decorated nicely with some paper. So, and you can obviously decorate both parts, both sides, front and back. One side though will be bigger, this part will be larger, and this part will be slightly smaller because it's glued, okay? So this is how the waterfall works, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing. I hope you have a great day. Bye.